my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers in the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and today is video 10 and the flip through in our Christmas collage medley / Holly Jolly series. And I've decided to call the book Holly Jolly Christmas Medley. Now, this is a Christmas book, and it's pretty big. It's 24 pages, which is not big, but it has got a 3.5-inch spine on it. As you can see, pretty good size. And I've got glossy accents on the little bird on the front. There's 12 charms in the book. And here's the back image. And it's held in with elastic and tied with sari silk. Now, let me tell you, the kits used real quick. I don't like flip-throughs where all you see is the cover and the person talks forever, but I need to get this in. The kits that I used are Christmas Collage Medley by ARTYmaze. I used Holly Jolly by Pink Monarch. I used some coffee-dyed paper digitals by Liana Scrap. And then I used some Ephemera from Caroline's Craft Tree Christmas kit. And the lace is from BB Craft. This is the first book where I've mixed a bunch of different stuff together, so I'm kind of excited. So when you open the book, everything kind of goes, because it's an elastic held book. There's some glossy accented little image here. The first signature, the very top, is almost like a little envelope stack. So you untie this, and the CD cover opens. There's a card with a charm, a Christmas tree. Oh no, this one's a stocking. And the card comes out, the postcard. Now, most of them are not done yet, believe it or not, because there's so many. But the goal is to have all of the writing cards in here stenciled. And I've been using Vintage Photo. And then I also, which I love this new color, it's a beautiful Christmas red, which is the Lumberjack Plaid by Granger. Okay, so then this has a tab, no charm because face is in this way, and more glossy accents, so pretty. And then this opens up, and there's a tag in the back, and all the little berries were done with the glossy accents. There's lace throughout. I've only got this much lace left from a whole roll of lace, a whole yard, more than a yard. I mean, 3 yards. Never mind, a lot. And then you open this, it's also got the lace and the glossy accents and the card. And then on the back side is another card and some more lace. This is a paper and lace belly band. There's a large writing card with glossy accents on the berries. And then a little sentiment on the back, waiting on the stencil. I should have done the stencils beforehand, before I did the flip through, but I needed to get the flip through done because of publishing the tutorial series, and I just didn't get a chance to get all of them done. There are so many. So many. Okay. I may just leave this open. No, I think I got it. Okay, then you turn the page, and this little dancing Santa, well, he's dancing on his ice skates. You take the little card out, and the Santa stays. And it's so cute. And this is a cautionary tale. The tab kind of goes up a little bit, and it's because I used glue to glue the little Santa on the acetone and acetate, on the acetate, and then glossy accents on the Santa after it was attached, and it kind of did its little number. And then you flip this over, and there's 2 cute little birds, and then there's a belly band with an acetate belly band and a very festive card. This is the bookmark that comes with the book, and the all the little ornaments and everything have glossy accents on them. And there's a writing card that comes out. And on the back is the other half of the tree with the other half of the decorated ornaments. Set that to the side. This is the first of the coffee dyed papers. It has embellishment on it. I put an embellishment on every coffee dyed paper, but there's still room to write. This is not really a writing book unless you're going to write on the cards. And the space that you have on the coffee dyed paper, the rest is very interactive. On this side right here, we have a stacked pocket. This card right here goes all the way down. This next one here, obviously, which is a trifold. Never take them out of the pocket. Goes back in this pocket. Oh, well, look at that. And there's two more cards in this pocket. And then we have our glossy accented poinsettia. Ho, ho, ho. I almost put that on upside down. It almost said, oh, oh, oh. On this side is a large pocket. And you'll notice throughout the book that everything is backed with the cream-colored paper. The cream-colored paper doesn't come through on the camera, but I sprayed it with my custom spray, alcohol ink spray. Excuse me, alcohol acrylic paint spray. And the color is, it's a metallic by Art Deco, and it is titanium white or snow white. And we have God Rest You Merry Gentlemen here if you want to sing. And then we also have a nice writing card in the back. Also, all the writing cards are cream on the back with the border too. On this side here, we have more glossy accents. Christmas Day. And we have two little writing tags. Like I said, no stencil yet. We've got two little cards here. And then when you turn this page here, this is removable. This is a floating 5-pocket pocket. So we've got the decorative paper clip with the little Christmas tree on it. Then on this right here, has a belly band with a writing card and the glossy accents. And then there's a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here. Oh, I guess it's only 4, and a pocket on the back. So it's 4 pockets and a belly band. Underneath is this beautiful picture. I may have to slide this book back and forth for you to see everything. But this beautiful glossy accented picture of our Christmas birds in the holly bush. Hook this back on. Okay, more accents on the coffee dyed paper. Coffee dyed paper with a tag. This is an envelope, and it says ho ho ho, and it's got glossy accents on it. It's held on by magnets. It's got that. And it's got it here. And then, of course, there's the envelope. And then there's another Christmas song in here, which is the Holly and the Ivy, which Joy from Junk Journaling with Joy was happy enough to sing for me. I'd never heard of the song before, the Christmas Carol. On the back here is another tied page. The front page and the back page on the signatures, the 2 signatures, are all tied. And except for the very back page, and you'll see in just a second what that is. You untie this. This originally had magnets, and the magnets did not hold because this ended up being too thick. So we have our glossy accented bird, and our more lace with a ribbon, little piece of ephemera there. I'm going to slide this down. This flips up. And you've got a pocket with a couple tags and a Merry Christmas right there. Little sentiment. Then you've got your sepia page with the cardinal. And this has a card. And you open this, and there's a pocket with a card, a little tag, a little piece of ephemera backed on a cream colored paper with little bitty tags in there. Here's an acetate belly band with a ribbon and some lace. And another large writing card with the glossy accented bird. I forgot to move everything back up. So there was the card on the flip out with the cardinal and the tag. Sorry about that. And then this flips back down and this one ties shut. I really had a lot of fun making this book. We did it in 9 videos. So I was pleasantly surprised that we got it done in 9. The 10th video was supposed to be me making the cover, and the video got munched. So video 10 is the flip through. This is the writing card that I made for the book, and it was sprayed with this triple thick clear Krylon spray, but the paper actually soaked it in, and so it's got just a sheen to it, but it is sealed. So, you know what I mean? So you're not going to be writing right on the paper. And then I put the book corners on, and then in the back I didn't put anything because I didn't want to make the surface bumpy. So that goes along with our large bookmark. Then the top of this, or the beginning of this section, ties shut. You undo the tie, and we have a little flip out, or yeah, little opening there, and some ephemera here and ephemera here, so you can write on this. The butterfly has glossy accents along with the berries, and the Christmas tree ornaments have glossy accents on them. Get this tied back up. My hands are cold. I'm surprised I'm able to do this. There we go. And then you turn the page, and another really heavy CD cover. There is a magnet for it. There's another charm with a Christmas tree, or another Christmas tree charm. And you get your Christmas tree in the window of your CD cover. And that goes there. And Holly's got glossy accents as well. On the back is a belly band with a writing card backed in the cream. This is a stuffed pocket. So the pockets don't go all the way, well, this one does. On this, I decorated this tag. It has a lace topper. And then there is, this is definitely a pink Monarch page. 3 more cards. Then this is the center of 2 of the CDs. CD covers when I cut them out with the Big Shot. There's some lace. Coffee dyed paper with little tags. Coffee dyed paper with a little tag. This beautiful page, I love this page. Each signature has 1 page that's just glossy accented and just beautiful. This side, when you flip it over, it's a belly band with a window. Yes, I did it that way on purpose. It's not just crooked. And this long card comes out, and it's got a Christmas tree charm. Then there's also a writing card that comes out this way, and it's been glossy accented. I went a little crazy. It took a long time for this book to dry. It took a long time to make it as far as the off-camera parts, because I didn't do the glossy accents and stuff on camera. So on this side are 2 pockets, and there's 2 little tags, and these are the centers from windows that I cut out with the Big Shot. Each one of these flips up individually, and there's a card, and each one has a Christmas tree charm. Here's the other charm on this one. The back of this has a belly band. The back of this one has a large pocket. And the card goes here and here. And I just realized that I didn't make them, but I'm just going to motor right on through the flip through. And then I had a lot of fun. This is the very first shaker card I've ever made. And it's got our sparkly, get out there, our sparkly Christmas color little deals there. And they do actually go around the Merry Christmas, I promise you. Then here's our backing paper with our acetate pocket so you can see the shaker card. On this side is another clip-on. There's no pockets on the back of this one. It's just the front. This is an envelope, and it was a regular envelope that I cut a window into. And then I stenciled this all the way around the back and the front. The back stenciled too. And then you fold it up and then fold it over. That gives you this little tuck spot here. Then you get a pocket here. We've got these two cards. These are from Caroline's Craft Tree. This is another window that was cut out. Not from this one, but from another item somewhere in here. This is a postcard. This came with the ARTYmaze kit. Oh, I also used the add-on kit, and it had some of these stacked elements. So you've got like 2 or 3 sizes of this postcard, and you can stack them, you know, and then it's got decorations to go on them, so that's really nice. Then on here is another Christmas tree charm and the bird that comes out of the pocket, and it says Noel. Let me put these back in. And then this clips back on here. Make sure I'm only getting 1 page. It's hard to clip it on if you're clipping it on 2 pages. And it stays on there better, doesn't it? And there's our blue Santa. I love blue Santas. May your Christmas be merry and lack nothing. Here's another really pretty glossy accented bird. Then, let me move this out of the way. This flips up. And there's a up tuck, little ticket to go to your Christmas exhibition, and large writing card. Then down here, I'm sliding everywhere. Down here is your another up tuck. The tuck has a tuck, which is always handy. Then there's a large writing card with a pocket. There's another one of the postcards and 2 of the tags. There's stacked tags and stacked postcards that you can make. And then on the back, this one I did stencil. I found this really nifty little brush to do little stencils with. That's a big one, but. And then the very last page is a policy closure. There's a nice button. I wrapped it around an extra time because it was a little heavy. And then you undo it just like you would any other. This is a hemp string. And then it opens like so. And then you just close it back. Anyway, then it closes back. This is the back of the book. And then here's your back cover again. And then we go around to the front. And that's it. So I want to thank you for putting up with me through this crazy flip through. There's just so much going on. Sometimes it's kind of hard to remember what you did. And I will see you guys in, have a Merry Christmas. And I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.